So imagine a government that says we want to get 75% of shareholding of a foreign investment in terms of whatever you come into practice here or produce. Even developed countries don't do that. South Africa itself, our bar is 30%. You know, yet you've got a dysfunctional country that should be attracting foreigners. You will think they will just lower the ownership to 0 or 5%. No, they say they want 75%. Why do they do that? Because they don't need to worry about their people. They have shifted that responsibility to another nation. I'll pack it then over. Hard to speak, guys, you know. Yeah, but so the Zimbabweans and Nigerians, they will benefit until my voice is back. So for now, they will have peace. I trust other patriots to keep pressing them. But I'm gonna come back when this devil that was sent by probably Zimbabweans and Nigerians, horrible people by the way, and bad things are happening in those countries. They send this juju of theirs and they attack me with everything, you know, and I'm gonna come back, you swine, you bloody morons. I'm coming back and I'm gonna double down and I'm gonna press your neck. Next year I'm cutting your neck sexual. All of you, Zimbos. You know, so yeah, no, that's that. So you see, South African man doesn't rest. Even when my voice is Elder, I can't speak over you, dude. You know, Jesus. You know, the South African man doesn't rest until his country is fixed. Even if you cut my legs, I'll try to stand and fight. You know, you cut my hands. A Zimbo cannot stop a South African man. That's the difference. You know, Zimbabwean men can just be stopped by one old man who, you know, who could barely see and walk. Mugabe. You know, no. So thanks, Patriots. And greetings to you, my beautiful Dudula Queen, Seula, you know, all the important citizens of world, the First Nation of Africa, you know, I will proudly, you know, I'm guessing that dear ministers as a patriot, you know, I will Hannibal. You know, you guys are the most important people in Africa, the first citizens of Africa, actually, you know. So, yeah, so let's keep fighting, patriots.
Thank you so much, leadership. And do please take care of yourself. Prioritize you getting better. Next year has arrived. What's today? It's the 27th. So next year, actually my birthday is in 2 weeks' time. I doubt I will even be enjoying my birthday because I've got bigger issues to deal with. South Africans need to enjoy what's left of this year. And next year, we need to really get busy and apply that pressure. You know, maybe the pressure that will apply in South Africa will benefit Zimbabweans, because clearly Zimbabweans don't have it in them to go and apply the pressure domestically, internally. So maybe the pressure that will come from ordinary citizens who are hurtful of the mass illegal immigration that is happening in South Africa. Maybe. Wayehlala asho ugogo wami athi niyazi le gama esikhule ngalo. Hey kuyabheda kuzolunga. Yazi ngize ngabamdala ngibe ngaka ngibe nezingane kuloko nami ngisathi ngizolunga ngikhulu abantu abadala bayolunga nami namanje ngisathi mangihlangana naba kuzolunga. So maybe nabo bazobambelela Zimbabwe kuzolunga. So we need to intensify the pressure next year. So people must go rest for the 4 days that are left. Nurse whatever it is that needs to be nurse that papalized, come back revitalized, sober and ready. And people need to go and equip themselves because there are things that are needed to go and apply certain things that are needed to apply the pressure excessively. So let's be ready. You know, I'm saying we know these charlatans are gonna be out in the streets. I don't know what's up with politicians and having a kismatolo, you know. No, that Kismatolo Ramaphosa and that Kismatolo Julius Malema will be flooding our they'll be flooding our squatter camps. And this can be beneficial to us next year because it's not like these motherfuckers don't know what we want. We can use them next year to advantage to further our agenda, what we want as South Africans. You know, I'm happy the NGOs are dealing with the ANC there, where they want to, what do they want to do, Novava? Is it gas and oil? I'm not sure that there are NGOs that are barring them from doing that. And then now they are talking about these NGOs are a problem. It's going to really be an interesting next year. What a time to be alive, you know? I can't wait to see. You know, I'm not even focusing much on local elections. Because ama local elections were, you know, South African politics ingenye indlela like ngiyabamamela bozethu yazi ngithi ngiyamamela ngithi ngiyayibamba into yaseZimbabwe. Yeah, maybe ngizo understand eventually, but as much as the local government elections are important, I think we need to work hard going to 2029. And I cannot wait to see the EFF's numbers go down, the ANC's numbers go down, the DA's numbers go down. You know, let me tell you something. I don't even think Zimbabweans like Nigerians. I think Nigerians are just disliked by everyone. To the point where, you know, even EFF members, they went to the toilet to vomit when they saw Nigerians wearing their T-shirt. I don't even think Malema likes Nigerians himself. But you know what? Business is business. He has to go on with the business of the day. Imali is hard to you. So, you know, you have to push the propaganda. But yeah, next year, going to 2029, I'm sure next year are going to be very interesting elections like last year. And we need to just use these charlatans, these M23s who masquerade as leaders, mafias in suit. We can use them to our own benefit next year.
Don't forget that next week, I mean, that's January, next week, next year, Malema, remember, was found guilty. So we are interested in what's going to happen because he's going to be sentenced. So yeah, it's an interest, you know, but you know, they always say singena ngevosho. You know, that will be our end.
Phuma ngevosho.
Interesting. So yeah.
Panel is umuntu ofuna ukukhuluma unmute.
No, thank you, Dudula Queen. Yeah, mina nje, I only wish for one thing, that this African unity takes place in Nigeria, where Zimbabweans and Nigerians go and start to practice this one Africa thing, you know, to practice this so-called blackness, you know, all this one Africa Kumaya thing there in Nigeria or in Zimbabwe. Let them demonstrate to us that this is how the African unity will be done. These are the systems in place, and this is how we are going to, you know, sitese ukuthi yabona manje njengoba sitese kanje izosebenza kaso. So yeah, they must just go and unite, yabo. Because it is clear that
That voice, I would never sing that song with that voice.
Lempi.
Impi yabulala ongayiqala impi. Impi yabulala ongayiqala impi. You know,
Hey, you don't know how. You don't need to know how to sing to be a revolutionary. Well.
you know, Umkesa Atitina will be fighting children. You know, it's very funny how Zimbabweans expect humility and nobleness from South Africans, yet their government doesn't give them that. Their government doesn't even believe they deserve that. I asked a question, ngathi ingane zaseZimbabwe ekolweni ziyathola na ukudla, like our township schools. Do the equine feeding scheme where the government provides food for children? They said no. It's the NGOs that provide that type of thing. But you are expecting a different outcome in South Africa. It's like you've got 2 million Zimbabweans who are undocumented because they are a marginalized group. And then, but you would demand that they must be documented in South Africa. Niyabona ukuthi labantu bayagula abantu benkosi. Niyabona ukuthi sisenkingeni ngamaZimbabwe. That Kwara that's got a shitty accent was saying they know themselves and they want to prioritize Zimbabweans. They know their worth. They want to control Zimbabwe. But when we demand the same, sitshelwa ukuthi silwisa abantwana babo beyinhloko enkulu zamaringwem. Whereas labantwana babo eZimbabwe, they are a non-entity to the government of Zimbabwe. You know, Mina, I see it as a duty. Ma umuntu to protect and stand up for children, for the elderly. Umsebenzi wethu kahle kahle we must mele lokho sikwenze, mele siyikhulumele ingane ezijampa emifuleni yase Eastern Cape, mele siyikhulumele, mele siyimele, mele siyilwele, mele kube njalo. Akunasalukwazi esihlala emkhukhwini ugovernment asithembisa iRDP sinestand singalu ukuthi ayithole iRDP. We must do that. It's our duty to do that for the children. The vulnerable in society must be defended. You come here, you are telling us that your children are being fought, but you cannot be fighting for the children in Zimbabwe who are not being even given a meal in school. When we know in South Africa, kunengane ezidinga lo meal leyo. Mazi ithole esikoleni. Ekhaya ayikho lo meal. Salwela nokuthi ekhaya at least bathole something. Your fight is in the wrong place. Ulwenda wena wrong. That is what we are telling you. You are fighting in the wrong place. Your fight is in Zimbabwe. You fight for what kids abantwana bafunda phansi kweyihlahla. Just shut up.
No, I am muting this guy. He said Zimbabwe built schools in South Africa for Zimbabwean children. Let me just mute him for the next 30 minutes.
Uti what?
Zimbabwe built schools in South Africa for Zimbabwean children.
Just mute this dog.
So he was.
Ebese kuthiwa mina yimi i-dictator. Yimi engitshela abantu ukuthi mabadrojwe kupanel, yimi ngitshela abantu ukuthi mabamuthiwe. But anyways,
Please don't bring your problems here, man. Don't bring your problems. Don't bring your problems to my panel. Kuzeka tu.
next man,
Ah,
asithubekele.
itshela lo zaba balwa la ekuseni la ipheleleni
Ah
yabo.
man.
Ayibo kanti ayipheli or yamadoda ayipheli konje bathi yamadoda ayipheli.
Yamadoda ayiphini ngiyadlala man. Ngiyadlala man. Eish, asithubekele.
Kuzophela
No
kanjani?
vele uyabhora lo because noma ngakhuphuka la uyoza ngingizi umsangano nje. Hleza bheda nje loyo.
Not worried with Ukhruneval. Hey, this guy is getting a traction. Gonzalani kanti.
Angisho lama prisoners lawa.
Is it me or South Africans are becoming Groeneval crazy? Like, what's happening?
Yeah, South Africans are becoming Groenewald crazy, eh? We can say that. Yeah, because
I also support the guy big time, but with what? With the porous borders? How sure are, because yes, to monitor like South Africa, we know. We've seen correctional service agijima emalokishini. Igebengu zase abantu ziyamonitor. Because ikwarakora malixeda ukuseva his time, they get deported. How many are they? How many of them are back here? So how sure are we that lezo iboshwa lezo zizohlala emazweni wazo bazozimonitor? So we cannot be. I support him fully, but maybe he should also be speaking to the fixing of our border. Yeah, I understand what he portfolio like a correctional service, but maybe he should be speaking to the border. Mention what ategu ulon lowe home affairs ukuthi lungisa border ngifuna ukuhambisa abantu. Lungisa ibhoda ukuthi ngingabeki ama-citizens wami at risk ngokuthi labantu babuye futhi bazobabulala because asikho sure ukuthi emazweni wabo bazogadiwa labantu lapho.
Hello guys. Yo, I hope
I don't know
you guys
if
have
you
a
saw,
Merry
sorry,
Christmas.
coach. I don't know if you guys saw what there's we have vehicles that will be sent to the border next year. I think it's close to, the plan is to send close to 450 military upgraded vehicles. So there is movement that is currently happening in the border. Yeah, so huh?
All thanks to ANC.
Uban, all thanks to ANC.
Yeah, isn't it? They are part of the government, so they are part of the decisions that have been taken.
I thought it's you. I thought it's you.
Guys, stop dropping people, please.
Anga drop him to me.
Wala Pisau, there is nothing substantial or constructive at Guam.
Speak of the
Guys,
devil,
I'll be
but
back
don't.
later, guys. Thank you. I can't
of
do
the
the
devil,
same
but
panel
don't.
with.
Neke makala roi hong khadi boots. Neke makala roi hong khadi boots mo paneling. Oh God.
Yo, Bantu doll. Shame.
Thomas,
Shame.
who are you?
Yes, Mfana. Go sharp. Go slow.
Ay, wena Thomas. O batla.
Okay, now it's the patela motho you want.
Wait, big man. Hey, wena coach, I never asked you to follow me or join my live. Hey, wena, block me wenze into efuna ukuyenza angiphatali pen. How? Lo coach
Ngilibana baba. Yazi kanti mina ngiyazi ama-South African athanda ukudlala nabanye abantwana. Wena ulwela nabanye abantwana.
ngiyamncenga, angazo-acta ngathi ngiyamncenga phela.
Okay. Yes, boss. Uthini into zami? Hawu imama bafethu.
Uyabona ubatlani
Sibongile.
why did you come here?
Yeah man, mina ngifuna usibongile. Wesibongile. Hawu Nkosi yami, imama. Oh, simatsatsa madoda. Hawu Nkosi yami.
Hayi hamba kuma DM hayi. Simatsatsa. Simatsatsa.
Yeah, wait. Buhlanya ba TikTok.
Qaleni ngeJojo tank manje liyepi? Liphashuze yini? Madoda. Phela mina ngimangele ngithi lizawu-expire.
Slow. Ayi, awubani lo futhi? Wena Hannibal unomona mfana. Wa unomona kanje?
Wena mawusibhekile ungajola ne-Patriot wena. Uzotshela umntana abantu nge-Pan Africanism every day ekuseni. Awube kancane.
Ngiyenzi mina leyo nto angikhulumi nge-Pan African. Mina nginempilo.
Nampilo.
Ngakhuluma nge-Pan Africanism every day ekuseni.
Uzomtshela ngoMobubuthi Seko Seko waya.
Nkosi yami. Hannibal.
Mara nje udla kanjani inkomo ze5 liter nephuthu le3 foot uyi1 man? Eh?
Yo,
Awutsibi Panduro betha 3 foot ya phuthu linkomo ze1 man.
I'm not surprised. And again, get lunch after more. After more, he's gonna have another meal. After more, he's gonna have another meal.
Hayibo. Yini isnack or startup ang understand yini?
No, I thank you guys for the compliment. Meaning family amanyeki lambe. Yabo, if I have the ability.
Baqedela ukudla, yozobaqedela ukudla abantu.
Wena umntwana. Wena ngifisa
yonke igrocery.
Palm wine, wena umntwana. Mamela la. Eish. Yazi wena ngabe uphambi kwami ngabe ngikushaya umlomo ukuthi thula wena abantu abadala bayakhuluma.
Sowulambile njalo. Sowulambile njalo.
You sound frustrated by how.
Ulambile ke wena abantu udolo ulambile. You know, bathi indlala udalulaka. Uyabona? We are seeing the very same products here. Indlala idala ulaka. Sekafuna ukushaya umuntu ba? Why ufuna ukushaya umuntu? Ulambile.
Ngithi wena umntwana kumele uthule mangifika la endaweni ekanje kumele uthule
Ngoba wena usikhatha bale 26 mo wena.
Ngoba wena ulani la?
Nawume kancane ungakhulumi
Awuphendula ifoni lapho bakufuna amagenge we26 awuphendula ifoni. Ngathoti i-delivery sefonini lesefuna ukumlethela ama-Big Mac.
Commander Skabu, I'm going somewhere.
No, wena una le mona ka go tseba mosadi.
Ke mona le mang wena?
O monela Sibongile. Wena wa tla ke shele wena ene nna ke nataba lona. Where's Posh? Where Mpuzi?
Commander Skabu, 15 minutes.
Wena bitsa di commander man ke December. Uka mosadi. Eish, commander ka December moka.
Leyo umahlangu lowo 3310
he's hired by some NGO. I guess NGO ya haya imo pateli shem phone wa hayilla so
ngabuyazi ukuthi nguphi ngenzani nabo bani bahla bodwa
hayi kwa phone ya ka skorokoro so sa phone
wena wamuzi ba dokusheveleza Bantu dolo wa mkhopula
uthuphetha abantwana bahle.
Sizaka tlogele ngolwana man.
Uthuphetha abantwana bahle wena.
Ngikhuluma ngobhango Sibongile ukuthi bahla abantwana bagezile uyambona ukuthi uyangena uyaphuma uyaziprepare lo muntu. Uyazi ubaba sekakhona bheka bamela la. Mamela la Hannibal ubaba sekakhona. Ubaba sekafikile. Uzomuzwa makaqeda ukuvula lapha aphuma ku broke uzothi papa ngithi mama
Altropek muntu wa hafa.
Hayi nayo yeah so
anyeke sihlale silwa njalo bantu benkosi hayi man hawo
ke ba o kwalletse ko dizamazameng kwa wa tsa mapilo tshwere ke tlala
nna ke tshware ke tlala mfiti
operation ya ya dizamazama e tsamaile slege ne o kre nke sele ba o kwalla wa shwela ona ko mezulong ya hao
ke tlala mfiti ka khona phanda nyana ke tlhakantshe mo le wena o kare big man a re zama o ka se tshware ke tlala ka khona she moitsi ha ngiyalifaka ikhanda mntana sekhaya ngilifaka ngapha nangapha
Eban uring tato hayi wena ayekho umuntu okuthatha serious empilweni wena
ya kaThibile wena uzithatha serious
wena akazujole wena
awuze ayithingazi ngizoze ngithuke
elkathi uthatha uBig Man umise lapha Ivory mhlawumbe uzowina
hayi Alvura hayi Ayivuri amakhaso hayi labantu basemakhaya
Kwenziwa amaro.
ayivuri lawa ukuthi hayi asamakhaso wami la
ila uphilonga khona
Hawu menyana.
hayi ngidlaleli kulo umfana sesodra mina bheka ngigijime sowethi
Winnie Mandela umise Winnie Mandela uzothola umuntu omfanelayo
awuzwe nje ubiza bo Winnie Mandela
Ngizomisa le tolopili la or eDalimpofu.
ya mise lapha type yakhe uzoyithola lapha
la makasinyana wesimanje manje la ndoda ngifana sesodra mina ngumfana sesowethi
so iSoweto yakala bafu abantu baseSoweto aningitsheleni lapho kuma comments ukuthi uBig Man ubuye eKasleni una
ndoda awujike ngithu
He's lying, this one.
Elder T was nabo Tswelopili nabo Winnie Mandela. No, was neDalimpofu.
awu mama hayi mana awuthula uzwele voice sawubona sibongile
Sawubona Big Man.
how are you Sithanda sami
Ngiyaphila njani Big Man?
ngiyaphila ngiyabonga shem
igama lakhe uNkomazi ngomela uthi hello Nkomazi
nana ayi wena mara
Elder T yazi ngihlala duze neDalimpofu.
Kuphi tutu like ngangitshela ngoba iDalimpofu kusema7 kusema7
Ngihlala eMunzi. Hayibo ngihlala eMunzi. What do you mean?
usemuntu
Kale Thembisa ngihlala eMunzi. Yes.
hayibo
NgiseMunzi
manje
manje.
kuva eCaprivi ne uyileza seCaprivi ne
I even know that I even know ama owner waseCaprivi.
ayona sentswembu these days abayirevempile shem
Ngibonile ukuthi bayalungisa lapha.
it's something else
Uzoya lapha ngisho sibamba inkunzi ebusuku.
kanti useKaslam hayi
I'm sure ukhama abantu.
hayi wena uzibongela awunamali hayi akunamali
I'm sure ukhamayo lapha yamasibuye eCaprivi. There is no other way.
yo iphone ba ma ringtone maphi lawa manje
Uya sikhama yaza sakho. Ngihamba ngenyawo thina uye eCaprivi yazi.
yaseswazini
Hey. Yani siphisa kabuhlungu shemi.
bongeke uhamba eCaprivi ngenyawo especially lezi esiphuma ngapha elokuza
Mamela I'm born and bred la. Nesihamba ngenyawo ke eCaprivi up until kufika wena nabo bhuti bakho.
Mara mina ngifike nini mara Tutula Queen ngoba kade ngafika mina ngifike kudala
le ndoda iboni ebhoni apha no dala la eSouth Africa
mfethu ibhoni nezandla zami ibhizi khona la ngibone from one container
izandla zakho kuphi
ayivori indawo yami irank yase2 ngibonile from the route i2 yami ayivori yami ningangiqosha mara mina ngi1 kwerekwere li1 engeke lihambe amanye ngawaqosha mina ngavele ninivayise nebox
uyahla
nina masimo ukuthi nikhuluma lo muntu azazibize ngekwerekwere nina mari nisile yazi mari nina niphilanga kahle
phila
hayi nina niphilanga kahle shem
asiyithi uyozibiza
anyeke nubona ayazi anyeke ningene ezulwini yo cha ngibona into
so thembe ezulwini
wena elder T
yani nintropeza
kwese ungavumi labantu badlala
mfethu mina noma ngangibiza ikwerekwere yaza ngisahlabeki yazi noma ngangibiza ikwerekwere uthi grigama mfethu ngikhule ngayo
shuthi lo mntwana usibongile ukubize ngale gama waze
wanisasko phela
ngithi usibiza amasasko Big Man uyisasko yazi
ukani
angilonisa asko bra
mina isasko
yana isasko leli yabona amasasko aso athanda ukubiza namakwerekwere amasasko enangazi wayebayithanda lento
nani wayithanda ukusibiza sasko
mina ke ngakubiza ngekwerekwere elder T wena lento ibhema hayi cash up ngeke ngakubiza ngekwerekwere mina
Angiyadlala uthiyami. Ngiyadlala uthiyami.
Awunovava. Kanti why babangidropa ngirequesta? Yazi mina babangidropa ngisa-request ngiyahamba.
Lo novava lo ngiyamsola lo. Awungitshele lo mfana umXhosa ne.
Yabona lokuthi you can wena big man utsokayo because you can't even pronounce the clicks man.
Hayi mwana ungangitsheli ngamagama ndoda mina ngikhulele Soweto.
Kingxhosa.
umXhosa kuyafana man ukuthi ngibiza kanjani angitsheli lokho. Mfano kana ke man Nova Mangmang Novero re ke MXhosa ne ke X ne. Hannibal ke X mfano lele ungasolveki. Hannibal nona mina ngilibele ngiyamsola lo Novera uX ongasolveki.
Ngithi wena awazi nokupronounce ukuthi umuntu iXhosa uthi Xhosa.
Angangitshela ukuthi umuntu iXhosa yini endo ngithi u Novera uX ongasolveki ne.
Angazi.
Oh ile line yabo za Supreme kanjalo.
Uyanya.
Ama X angasolveki amaXhosa.
Wabona watella no watella serious.
Una tendency
watella ke X
no makuna unalibu X nyana bosa solveki man.
Wa usamnitse atla ma platform ngotlo mazotsa ntlo.
No undropela anyeni. Kaba namo platform undropela nkaba na conversation.
He's a moderator. He's a moderator.
He's not a career. I've been telling them. He's not a career.
Moderator. He can do what he wants.
He must come up.
Big man.
Baba.
Big man.
Yes.
Big man.
Boy. Yes, boy.
Yazine, I'm just gonna say. I'm just gonna say.
Yeah?
Listen to me and listen to me carefully, na. Angsiona intanga yakho. Like so Hannibal, how is your Saturday, man?
Aziba awukhona ukuba serious yazo uyabhora.
Wazobale ku big man, big man. Obakublockile.
Uyabhora.
Ublockile.
Very same people that is the tribalism in South Africa. Abaplanta ama-seeds of tribalism. Baphinde basicomplainele futhi ukuthi we are tribalistic in South Africa.
Guys, the way you were now corner, the way if a sign that I really hate a person, the fact that I can even laugh when I do bad things like I hate to big men, guys. I can't pretend. I don't want this guy in your passion. Hannibal, you will unblock him, but no. I hate this guy, man. Yes.
Yazina. Ngaza ngabona umuntu akwata agigila. Hey bathong. Cabanga umuntu athi yena athi ngacosha amanye amakwerekwere yena asala. Yaza amaZimbabwe.
Uyantshela ukuthi is assimilated to
Nge-accent crocodile. Don't even start. Go nuka la kule panel. Don't even start. That accent is integration to you. Is integrated. Don't even start. Yazi laba bayenzani lapha ema7 lapha lasho khona. Bahloma imikhukhu ngenkani. Baze bashisa isonto la kamathebula baconnect igesi ngenkani. Bahlala lapha ngenkani. Lokhu kuthiwa kuhamba ihasi yokuyethembisa hospital lapha. Bahlala amakwerekwere bantu benkosi into abazenzayo.
Mara titula queen awukhuluma iqiniso man. Owazi nje ukukhuluma iqiniso. Uyazi ukuthi idala imphofu it was started ngengane zalapha.
Ama-South Africans awasazabalaza. Ugcine nini ukuzwa nje ukuthi i-South Africa lithi liyozabalaza kunesiganga kuphi bafike bahloba imikhukhu. Nekuyinto zabo mamethu lezo. Awasazabalaza ama-South African ithi ngikutshele-ke thina manje thina ukuthi senzani ama-South African wamanje. Asinayo even nalo luxury kufana nabazali bethu ukuthi siyozaba yabona njengabo Madela kufa. Kwaphuma ama-RDP weMadela kufa eKalfontein. iPhumlong yaphumela eKalfontein noma mncane wami mina sowashona wathola indlu azabalaza ePhumlong. Manikhumbula kahle lemikhukhu yaseSophia Town. Into eshaya laba ukuthi mabakhipha abantu abavali lapha mhlambe bathengise leyo ndawo leyo bayithengisele mhlambe ikhamba or somehow. Yabo njengaseMadela kufa. Nekumele ngabe babakhipha mhlambe bathengise that land to business is a reason for a business. I understand either kube ne Checkers or Boxer or whatever or shopping center nyana. You can't say you are moving people mara you are still leaving those structures. I understand. You know what thina manje youth futhi thina konje si youth endala wait elder T wait yabo thina youth endala ayisho nabazali bethu baba youth endala bona futhi nebanenhlanhla nokuthi nebaphiwa nebahlala kulezi indlu lezi nezibizwa izindlu zakaSuper lama forum nowabizwa izindlu zakaSuper nekuba nemali abayibhadalayo kodwa zagcina zikubo banama title deed. Thina sithenga itandi elder T asizabalazi sithenga itandi. Monganaka itandi ePitori kugcwele abantu basethembisa. Monganaka itandi ezase Davidton kugcwele abantu basethembisa kugcwele abantu bakuphi kugcwele abantu iyouth endala ithenga itandi even eWandebele lesiyabusa kugcwele iyouth endala ehamba yothenga itandi lapha ya because even into yaba RDP abasalindi bayahamba bazithengela itandi zabo 15,000 bazakhele abasalindanga no wonke umuntu yabona ukuthi lento yale ANC ayikho. The honest truth is iyouth yamanje iyouth endala yamanje ama parents wamanje awalindanga ama RDP futhi awasabhalisi nokubhalisa ayithengela itandi ayihlomela imikhukhu ahamba yobhalisa leya khadi leya abeka imikhukhu estandini sakhe ukuthi indawo yami le akampele ngefence ahamba yovulelela khadi lase cash build nini aqala akhe ayisakho lento yama land grab awayenza ama South African into yama land grab yenza ama foreign.
There's a report ephumile last week that says 90% of the houses built in South Africa were built cash, not through bank loans and so forth. You 100%. So South Africans have been building their houses without depending on the bank. Imagine. And we sozovela makwerekwere lazo sitshela ukuthi nasihlala emkhukhwini while istudy siyavela ukuthi lemkhukhu eminingi egcwele la yibo labantu man bheka eshimara labantu yazi uma ungeza eCape Town uzobona ukuthi labantu bayemoshe kanjani eCape Town. Elder T abantu bakho maphela straight angifuni ukukhuluma mangabe you are offended that was the plan to offend you. Hannibal labantu ba dangerous labantu abanandaba ukuthi itown yinhle kanjani abanandaba they don't care abanandaba ukuthi itown it's ivalue yakhona abanandaba ukuthi isaba bazofaka umkhukhu next to yona endle kumkhukhu ngiyabaza bazofaka iplastic next to yona iplastic hayi I've never seen my
uyangibiza futhi
ayeke bengikhuluma ngawe bengakhulumi nawe
okay guys koja joy ka 6 man
nale life yakhe yabhora vele jo life eza nobani no big man angiyifuni life engifakela u big man angiyifuni that inhliziyo yami yonke
the live le ina 10 hours erana
harifaka u big man
Okay, bantu bami ningifikiseni ku 100,000. 100,000. Give the host, give the panelists. Please tap to 100K, guys. Ngiyanicela tu.